Hello students, today we are working on the copy and paste command. You'll see once again we are in our course in the Blackboard Learn section. So when this presentation is finished, log on to Blackboard Learn and you will find all of today's materials. When you arrive at Blackboard Learn, please select your grade level. 4th and 5th grade, this lesson is for both of you. Same lesson. Notice at the top there's an activity called Copy and Paste. Click on the Copy-Paste activity. Each homeroom has a work area of its own. Please make sure you are in the correct work area. I'm going to pretend to be in Mr. Ekberg's group today. So I'm going to click on Copy-Paste Ekberg. Once again, Blackboard Learn assignments are in 4 sections: an assignment information, an assignment submission area at number 2, comments, and a submit button. We start at number 1. Right here it says Copy, Paste, Timeline Document. Click on it and download it. As you have seen in the past, in the middle of your screen you will see an Open button, a Save button, and a Cancel button. Since I'm using a different type of computer, mine is down at the bottom. We will all select Open. You'll notice that it automatically opens Office Word. Once the document is open, please put your name on the top. If there are 2 of you in the class, please, with the same first name, please put your last name, and then put your teacher's name. The directions say to copy and paste each state name and date that the state joined the union into the correct callout on the timeline. Copy and paste each state name and the date that the state joined the union to the correct callout on the timeline. Each callout has a date on it, or each state has the date that it became a member of the United States. Look for the earliest date, which seems to be 1889, 1896, 1890, seems to be 1899. As I look at my timeline, I find that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes for 1899. So let's see if we can figure out which one comes first. We have November the 2nd, November 11th, November the 2nd, and November the 8th. There are 2 for November the 2nd, so it doesn't matter which one you put into the first bubble. To copy and paste something, you simply highlight it, go up to the Home tab, click Copy, click where you want to put it. In this case, we want to put it inside the callout bubble, then click Paste. Find the next one that needs to be moved and follow the same thing. South Dakota, November 2nd, 1898. This time I'm going to use my left click. I'm going to select Copy. I'm going into the second box in the list. I'm going to right click again. I'm going to select Paste and put it into the callout. There are 2 ways that you can copy and paste text. The first way is by highlighting it, going up to Copy, going down to the callout box, and selecting Paste. The second way of highlighting and selecting text to be copied and pasted is North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana. Let's see, first we have to find the next one. Washington, November 11th, Washington State. Highlight it. Do a right click, select copy, go into the bubble, the callout bubble, right click again, select paste. I'm going to pretend that this demonstration is finished. I'm going to go up, I'm going to save as a Word document. You will not see the Word document on your screen, you will just save it the way I told you to. You're going to save it using CP for copy paste and then your first name. If there are two of you in the class, please use a last name initial. Make sure you are in your documents library. Hit save. You're now done with this page. We can close up Word. We now go to section 2 of Blackboard. Select Browse My Computer. Select the document that you needed to upload. Select Open. Check in section 2 to make sure it's been correctly attached. Mary Doc. We will put nothing in the comment area. Hit the select button. When you've reached the select button, you should see one of three things. You should see it load a copy of your document. You should see, if you don't see the document loading, the second thing you might see is generating preview. And the last thing you might see is a download button. If you see any of those three, you've got it correct. That brings us to the end of today's video. When the video ends, please go ahead, log into Blackboard Learn, and begin.